Thanks. It is so good to be back. I am filled with a holiday spirit, Kat. I know you get into things this time of year. Have you started decorating?
I mean, Chip, I love the holidays. It's a holly jolly season. Of course I'm decorated, my friend.
You know what kind of ruins the mood, though, is when you decorate with all your holiday lights and then they go out.
Guess what? Problem solved. So this is from Twist and Seal. This is called the Cord Protect. And guess what? This product was specifically designed to protect your outdoor extension cord and your holiday light cord connections from rain and melting snow. So no more tripped outlets, Chip. That means the lights are staying on all holiday season. I love it too because they're heavy duty and they're made in the USA.
Wonderful. Twist and Seal also has a brand new product. This is called the Cord Dock. It fits right onto your extension cord, so it stays with it at all times, so you're never looking for it because it never gets lost. When it's time to wrap up those cords, they simply fold out the arms, and then you have a nice, convenient reel. This is great for extension cords, great for your Christmas lights. I use it in the garage, use it in the workshop, all over the house.
You mean no more WWE wrestling with my cords in or out for the holiday season or all year long? I love that. All right, speaking of the holiday season, I think it's a perfect time to look around, get our homes ready, get all our holiday decorations ready for upcoming guests and gatherings.
That's right. I've got a great product from DAP. This is the Weldwood 2-in-1. This is wood glue and filler combo. It's a strong wood glue for all those projects around the house. It's strong and it's seamless. It's going to sand, stain, and paint exactly like real wood. And there's also no sag and no mess. It's going to fill gaps, Kat, up to 1/8 of an inch, which is pretty typical around the house. You know, this is great for all kinds of projects, from your kitchen cabinets to trim fixes. Awesome for the holidays.
I love it. Another thing that I'm in love with by DAP is their Rapid Fuse Flex Gel Super Glue. So this is for quick, everyday fixes around the house, Chip. But finally, there's a flexible super glue. So it sets in 30 seconds. It cures in 4 hours. It's flexible, like we said, so those repairs are going to last. And it bonds to virtually everything: fabric, wood, metal, ceramic, leather, and more. It's got a no drip vertical application. So think about all those holiday decorations, your wreaths, your ornaments. DAP has got you covered.
I love it. Another great innovation for around the house are smart humidifiers. These are from Dreo. Tell us about this little guy.
You know what? I love Dreo smart humidifiers. They really have thought of everything. This is their 409S model. So Chip, guess what? This is a sleep routine trainer. Isn't that crazy? It's for babies. So what it does is it uses a natural light cycle to help babies wind down at night and wake up refreshed. So it really promotes a peaceful sleep. Of course, it's got a smart app, voice control, 30 hours of runtime, just great habits and great health for the whole family.
Fun for the kids, but also for the whole family. We've got the 717S, a little larger. It holds 8 liters of water. This is 80 hours of runtime, and it has warm and it has cool mist. I know you're going to like this. I mean, and it looks fantastic. Great stuff from Dreo.
Overall essential. Go find that on Dreo.com or Amazon, an essential for the house.
Now, another really fun thing that is taking off are countertop ice makers. This is from Yuhomi, an awesome, awesome model right here. You're going to want to get one of these. This is called the Peral L1 Pro Portable Nugget Ice Maker. This really revolutionizes the way that we're getting ice, so there's no more of that smelly fridge ice, no need to go to the grocery store. With all these portable ice makers, you can get fast, fresh, clear, and healthy ice right from the kitchen.
Did you know nugget ice is trending right now? All of the teens love it. My son goes nuts for this. They also have a great ice maker that makes crescent ice, which is really good for entertaining because that ice lasts a little longer. But these Yuhomi ice makers, I love it. They're lightweight, portable, on the go. They are ready for entertaining. I feel like with everything here, we're healthy, we're happy, we're entertaining, right?
We're excited, and we've got you hooked up with all these products at BeTheBestHome.com.
Happy